If you've been feeling like you're running out of time, like everyone else is ahead of you, it's like you've missed another window, this meditation is going to be for you. Welcome to What If It All Goes Right, the show for high achievers who are ready to stop fearing the worst and start stepping into their power. I'm your host, Angela Gargano, 6-time American Ninja Warrior, keynote speaker, peak performance coach, and former biochemist. Every episode, I'm going to give you the mindset shifts and practical tools to shake off the doubt, reignite your energy, and remember just how powerful you really are. Because it's time to stop fearing the worst and start asking, what if it all goes right? What if it's already going right? Welcome back to What If It All Goes Right? I'm your host, Angela Gargano, and today we're going on a walking meditation designed to help you release the pressure that you've been carrying about timing, about being behind, about not being where you think you should be. If you've been feeling like you're running out of time, like everyone else is ahead of you, it's like you missed another window, this meditation is going to be for you. You don't need anything special, just your headphones, a place where you can walk, and the willingness to let go of the story that you're falling behind. So find the rhythm, take a deep breath, and let's walk this out together. As you begin walking, I want you to notice your feet. Feel them make contact with the ground. Heel to toe, step by step. You're not going anywhere you don't already have access to. You're not behind. You're not racing. You're just here, walking, breathing, present. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Again, inhale, calm, exhale, the rush. With every exhale, I want you to release the story that you should be further along by now. Just let it go. Just for this walk, you don't have to carry it. Your nervous system has been running on urgency. I need to hurry. I need to catch up. I'm running out of time. But right now, we're going to teach your body a different rhythm. Inhale for a 4 count. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Let's do this together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it out. Keep breathing this rhythm as you walk. Your body is learning. There's no emergency here. You have time. You've always had time. Now with each step, I want you to repeat this silently with me. I am exactly where I need to be. Inhale. I am exactly where I need to be. Exhale. I'm exactly where I need to be. Again, but this time with even more conviction. My timeline is mine, and it's unfolding perfectly. Say it with me. My timeline is mine, and it's unfolding perfectly. One more time. There is no falling behind In a race, I am not running. Repeat it. There is no falling behind. In a race, I'm not running. Let that sink into your body. You're not competing with anyone. You're not late. You're right on time for your life. Now I want you to imagine something with me. Picture yourself 1 year from now. She's standing exactly where she needs to be. Maybe she's achieved the goal. Maybe she's still building. Either way, she's proud. She's grounded. She's at peace. And when she looks back at today, at this exact moment that you're in right now, she doesn't see you as behind. She sees this moment as necessary. She's grateful you didn't rush. She's grateful you trusted the process. She's grateful you kept walking, even when it felt slow. This moment, right here, right now, is part of the timeline that gets you to be her. You're not late. You're exactly on time. Now, as you keep walking, I want you to do something with me. I want you to roll your shoulders back. Shake them a little bit. Shake your hands. Loosen your jaw. Let your body release the tension of rushing. You don't have to hold it anymore. Take a deep breath in and exhale with sound. I know someone on the trail might think you're weird, but it's fine. If you're walking outside, do it again. Inhale. Exhale it out. Feel your body soften. Feel the urgency leave. You're walking into alignment, not urgency. So here's what I want you to carry with you as you finish this walk. You have permission to be exactly where you are. You have permission to trust your timing. You have permission to stop comparing your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20. Your timeline is not wrong. It's not slow. It's not behind. It's yours. And it's unfolding exactly as it should. So keep walking. Keep showing up. Keep trusting. Because when you stop rushing and start trusting, everything shifts. One final breath together. In. I'm exactly where I need to be. Exhale. My timing is perfect. Thank you for walking with me today, and I'll see you in the next episode. And a reminder, your timeline is yours. Your pace is right, and you're exactly where you need to be.